Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our video is about my hobbies and interests. So let's get started. Do you enjoy playing sports? Which ones? Yes, I love playing sports. My favorite sports are basketball and tennis. I love the physical activity and the feeling of competition. Do you like reading? What kind of books do you enjoy? Absolutely. I enjoy reading a variety of genres, but my favorites are science fiction and fantasy. I love being transported to new worlds and meeting interesting characters. Are you into music? Do you play any instruments or enjoy listening to particular genres? Yes, I am really into music. I enjoy listening to a wide range of genres, from classic rock to hip-hop to electronic dance music. I also play the guitar and love jamming with friends. Are you interested in art? Do you like to draw, paint, or create other types of artwork? Yes, I am very interested in art. While I am not very skilled at drawing or painting, I love exploring different types of art and learning about different artists and their techniques. Do you enjoy cooking or baking? What kind of dishes do you like to make? Yes, I love cooking and baking. I enjoy experimenting with different recipes and creating new dishes. My favorite things to make are comfort foods like lasagna and chili, as well as desserts like chocolate cake and apple pie. Are you passionate about any particular causes or social issues? Yes, I am very passionate about environmentalism and sustainability. I believe that we all have a responsibility to take care of the planet and reduce our impact on the environment. I try to make eco-friendly choices in my daily life and support organizations that promote sustainable living. Thanks friends for watching.